I'm going to show you how to make homemade banana bread. In the past I shared a recipe that's gluten-free, dairy-free, egg-free, and nut-free. And now I'm showing you a traditional banana bread recipe. First, preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Then in a small bowl, add in the flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt, and whisk them together to combine them well. Set the dry ingredients aside. Then in a larger bowl, add in the bananas. Be sure to use bananas that are really overripe. This is what you're going for because it gives really nice flavor, moisture, and sweetness. Mash up the bananas using a fork. Then add in the melted butter and mix it in using the fork. Then add in the eggs and the vanilla extract and mix them in well. Then add in the dry ingredients and the chocolate chips and mix them in using a rubber spatula just until combined. Be sure to not overmix. Grease a loaf pan with non-stick cooking spray and pour the batter into the pan. Then bake it in the oven for 50 to 60 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Once it's done, remove it from the oven, let it cool slightly in the pan, then transfer to a cooling rack to cool completely. And that's how to make homemade banana bread. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.